Hey, don't forget to subscribe. That is looking really good so far. Clearance there, clearance all up front, clearance down on the bottom where that hinge is, and then just a pinch of clearance right above the radiator cap. I like it. Oh my goodness gracious. We are ready for our first ever hinge attempt to see if this thing's gonna work out as we planned. Oh, that's crazy. That is a lot of work just for this moment. It's unfortunate. I was in the middle of doing this edit and I lost some of the files. So let me fill you in on what I just lost. So you saw the CNC cut this out and you just saw me cut these cross braces that I have. I dyed these with a tap and die And then I put 1/4-inch nuts on it with 2 washers, squeezing it in. Then I had this down here. I CNC cut this bracket down here, and then I aluminoid it to an L bracket and welded this entire framework that you saw out of the white Coro. I had all of that and I lost it. If someone could fill me in on where these things go when they get lost, that'd be great. But anyway, back to the video. All right, after the fail, we are ready for attempt number 2. I haven't tried it, I have it set up. Everything looks like it's gonna work. Let's do it. Oh, baby. Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Look at all this space. Look at all this room for activity. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's sick. That is such a needed win. That is such a needed win. Wow. Thank you guys so much for watching. It has been such a crazy journey, and I've gotten to meet so many people through just doing this, just trying to change the way people can see what you could do with a car. You guys are awesome. You guys are absolutely awesome, and I can't wait to finish. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. I mean, for especially some of you guys I see in the comments that have been here from this one, so awesome. I'll see you guys in the next one.